Brownsville has issued a special marine warning for waters from Port Mansfield, Texas to the Rio Grande River from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 8:15 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:32 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 36 nautical miles east of South Padre Island, moving north at 50 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately.